Hey everyone, talking about Encens Suave by Matiere Premier. The notes in this are coffee, incense, Madagascar vanilla, benzoin, and labdanum. I heard a lot of people say good things about this, but I was worried that it wouldn't live up to the hype. Happy to say that to my nose at least, it really is great. Really well blended and balanced, mixed of smooth, silky coffee, rich vanilla that is not overly sugary, leathery and ambery labdanum, and kind of a calming smoke. I mean, it's incense, so it sort of makes sense, but yeah, it's almost like that kind of spiritual style and not like too dour. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I can see similarities to Mystic Incense by the Merchant of Venice, which I saw some other people make comparisons to, as well as by the Fireplace. Not that it's much more similar to Mystic Incense than by the Fireplace, but there's like a hint of that sort of smell. Yeah, excellent winter and fall scent. I'm pretty sure this will be making my upcoming list for best winter and fall scents, especially for nighttime. Really like suave and sexy, but not try hard. Good longevity and projection as well. This is unisex leaning slightly masculine. $260 for 100 ml. That's pretty pricey, but I can also see how it could be worth it because it is really, really nice, attractive, good quality. But I also think it's not unique enough to necessarily be worth, going out and spending almost $300 on. But yeah, I do recommend trying a sample of it, and I think that Mystic Incense is quite a bit cheaper. I could be wrong, but I recommend checking that out as well if you end up liking this and don't want to pay that much for a full bottle. I will put a link in the description where you can get a bottle or a sample.